Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKBA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. What do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, if you go to that link right there, I'll explain with a video in detail. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $6.35. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.35, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Very straightforward. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. That's the best way to go about it. Maybe not the seemingly the most complicated, but that's the one bad part about trading in charts. Sometimes people think things need to get overly complicated, but they don't. Just watch the price, and as long as the price stays above a line and that line's increasing higher and higher, well, if the price can stay above that line, then by definition that means that the trend is upwards under the bulls and the price keeps getting higher and higher, and that's what you want to see. So very straightforward way. Again, preferably, stay above 635, but as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full ownership of the trend. In terms of where the sellers are at and resistance levels, key level to watch going to be right up there at $6.55, and nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact that that's just simply where the party stopped today. So watch that closely going forward. But all in all, very nice movement today, very strong volume, and not just a question of just keeping it simple, watching that 50-period moving average, and let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.